this is Shreya and today I am here to review an impressive gadget for your kitchen. This automatic dispenser by Konquer completely eliminates the need for an expensive electric dispenser or a pump dispenser for water. Here's how it works. This is a universal dispenser that fits on all water cans and gets installed in minutes. The pump has a built-in 1200 mAh rechargeable battery which can be recharged with a USB cord. It has an on-off button with LED light indicators for ease of use. Start by connecting the silicone tube and stainless steel tube. Insert the silicone hose to the bottle and then fasten the pump. That's it. Press the silicone button to pump out the water and press it again to stop pumping. So easy. This automatic pump is made of BPA-free and food-grade materials designed exclusively for a safe and prolonged use experience. You never have to do any heavy lifting again. This smart energy-saving dispenser pump is the way to go.